interesting salad. It's tasty, it's healthy, it's very quick. For that you need a bowl first. On that bowl, now add in some lettuce leaves. Add some round cut tomatoes on it. So we all know tomatoes are healthy, they are good in vitamin A, vitamin C, they are good antioxidants. It's very good for skin as well. And on this I'm going to top it up with some grilled chicken. You could use grilled chicken, boiled chicken, barbecue, tandoori chicken, any leftover chicken what you have, you could use it on this, a dried chicken. So spread it all around. Now what we are going to add on top is some onion rings. So onion gives a nice crunchy taste, and it's an antibacterial food, antiviral food, so something which is very healthy and tastes well with chicken. And on this I'm topping this with avocado slices, a healthy fat, something which is good for hormone balance, good for heart. So we are just putting that, and on that I'm again topping it with some onion rings because it gives a nice crunchy flavor and goes very well with avocado. And for this dressing we have used roasted sesame seeds which has been ground. In that I have put about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I have added to this a little balsamic vinegar and some salt and oregano. So you can top the whole salad with this dressing. You can also serve it on the side. And now we're going to top this up with some soaked almond. So these are soaked almond. You could use even walnut, or if you want to use some pine nuts, you could use that. And then I'm going to top this up with some seeds, healthy seeds. So I'm using here is flax seed. You can use pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds or melon seeds as per your taste. And this is how our healthy salad looks like, and it's ready, and you can try it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this.